Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create animated shine text effect in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Where I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all, I'm going to add text to my design. I'm just going to go to the text menu and I'm going to add a heading. Okay, I'm just going to type in Canva tutorial. All right, and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and to add the shine effect, we can go to the effect menu, but before it, I'm going to change the color. Wait, I'm going to select all the text and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to select this one, guys. Okay, and then we are going to go to the effect and then select the neon effect, and you can customize the intensity like this, and you can add animation to your text. Just go to the animate and choose the animation you want to apply to your text, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, now it's done and this is the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create animated shine text effect in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.